Blood, get out of here, son. I'm running. I'm out. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for clicking another video. Listen, you guys see the title. We're about to watch this prank, coughing on strangers. Like, listen, that's just stuff you don't do. You know what we got going on out here? We have a pandemic, and it's been a year and it has not gone away. The last thing you want is for somebody's germs to get on you. Before we go into the video, guys, subscribe to my channel. Click the red button down below, and let's watch.
Excuse me, do you know how to? What is she doing, bro? What is she doing, bro? Where's the McDonald's?
Yo, son, that's like violence right there.
Come on. Give me a hug, bro. Come on, bro. It's just my girlfriend's period blood. Excuse me, you guys know how to get to him. Excuse me.
Oh my gosh, yo. Yo, I'm telling you, people are not playing.
Excuse me, guys. Do you guys know where...
How come you don't have a mask on? Why are you even touching him? Like, he just coughed up blood. I'd have been across the street.
Oh, like the main one. Sorry, I'm just
My thing is, people running scared but won't wear a mask.
Oh, we're filming a prank.
Oh, I'm like, bro, what the? Hell no, I'm like, this nigga started spitting. He got some new shit. He got some.
Excuse me, do you guys know how to get...
That's hilarious, the reaction.
Excuse me, I was wondering, do you know where,
He's running.
What's up? Hey, I already watched your videos. I gotta put you on Snap, man.
Here, he recognized you.
Yes, sir.
What was your name again, bro? Hold on.
Vitaly.
Vitaly, that's what it is.
I tried.
I just met Vitaly, guys.
That's right. Oh, look at this. Freaking Corona. My girlfriend's period. Oh, no. Do you know
Oh my gosh.
where's Metro? Station at?
Straight this way.
Huh?
Straight this way.
Thank you.
So on your right-hand side.
Appreciate you.
You-
Corona go.
This guy's not. He wasn't thinking about it. He was not thinking. You in
Do
there?
you guys have excuse me, do you guys have $5? Excuse me, guys. Do you know where McDonald's is? The nearest one. What's up? It's just tuberculosis. It's not Corona, I promise you. Yeah, Vitaly, nice to meet you.
Nah, bro. Nah, go get on. Go get on.
Oh, I thought he was gonna shake his hand.
Excuse me, guys. Do you guys know how to get to?
Running.
I'm just
Like, why? You're chasing him? What are you gonna accomplish? Like, you gonna fight him and touch him?
doing Chinese
Some
theater?
people just don't make sense.
Oh, sorry. I'm just.
She was like, oh no, I can't help you.
Hi. Hey, can I sing? Yeah?
You want a song?
No, just pause it. It's an improv.
Chill, son. What are they gonna do?
Sorry.
I'd be like, that mic is yours,
Can't
keep
get
it.
Corona twice.
Oh, shit. I hear ya.
Yeah. My blood.
Really?
Yeah.
They took it.
Tuberculosis.
That sucks.
That's alright. It's my 10th time getting it this year.
Really?
Yeah.
I'm Brian.
Vitaly. Nice. Or are you gonna be a racist? Nope.
Really?
Nice to meet
Is
you.
that Kool-Aid?
People
What
are
is that? That's not blood.
confusing.
What is that?
Oh, it's fake blood. We're just shooting a prank. You guys are so funny. It's a capsule. It's syrup. But good shit, guys.
And this is why people are catching it. Y'all not taking it seriously. Somebody's coughing like, yo, I need 6 feet.
Yeah, you okay?
Period.
You okay? You bleeding?
just
Hey, get away, bro. Get away, bro.
Get away, bro, get away.
No, I'm good.
excuse me.
Hilarious.
Theater is? You know what? Do you know what the Chinese theater is?
Oh.
Hi. How are you?
Yo, my thing is he in the hood?
How are you doing?
I'm good.
Like, what area is this? Only doing it to black people?
Would you like your life?
Well, no, there was a couple of people.
But your choices.
But still, this is definitely like
Do you have
an
it?
urban area.
Is it contagious?
Yes.
Would you like to pray?
Yes.
Hold my fist. You are the Egyptian.
Oh, wow.
I'm in
Say, repeat after me.
And put your mask on and keep going, though.
I love it.
I love it.
I'm in LA.
I'm in LA.
Your first name.
Max.
Your middle name.
Gay.
Brio? I'll show you a secret. Look at that. I also have corona. Look at this. You got one daughter.
You just said you have corona? Let me give you a
I
better
have Modelo.
Modelo?
It's bankruptcy.
I was confused.
But you have a white privilege.
You let that, he licked your finger. I was like, nah, it's a prank, it's a prank. Don't touch me. What's going on here?
Diagnosis. Where's the prognosis?
There's some interesting folks out here. I don't know what that was about. That was funny. Like, that one had me. Because he was really catching people off guard. People are not playing. Like, stay away. To the point where they're chasing him, trying to fight him. Let me know what you guys think of this prank down in the comments below. That was crazy. Like, what would you do if somebody was actually coughing up blood in front of you? Like, wouldn't you run? Like, I would back up. I would move away. Like, yo, you got the space. Now, I'm not staying here. I'm not chasing you. I'm definitely not trying to touch you. But, yo, wear your mask, man. Wear your mask. Like, for situations like that, put it on. Thank you guys so much for watching this video with me. Tell me what you think in the comments below. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.